back to the same day. And welcome back to the I Don't Feel Like It challenge. House is kind of messy. Bed's unmade. Look at that. Because I'm washing some linens. I don't feel like doing this stuff. But you know what? I got a half hour. Right now, it's like 3:15. So by 3:45, I can be sitting on my butt drinking some coffee. 30 minutes. Let's get her done.
The first thing I do when I'm not feeling motivated is to go into SoundCloud or my music app or whatever and put on some killer tunes. I actually put on Cubby, which is the band you're listening to right now. This is their album Ember. You can listen to it on SoundCloud. It is amazing. Anyway, y'all know if you see my channel before, I hate doing the dishes, but I had some killer tunes on and I didn't care. And you know how when you have your headphones on and you're singing to yourself and you think you sound amazing, but instead you actually sound like this. All the lulls, right? All the lulls. Anyway, after I was done doing the dishes, I was so happy that I didn't have to go back and do them for a while, and it was time to make the bed. I did clean the sheets and pillowcases this morning, so now was my chance to go ahead and put them away. Of course, I put the sheet on incorrectly the first time because I can never seem to get it right, even though the sheet is color-coded. I have like I don't know. Anyway, I'm putting the sheet on sideways right now because it's a queen-size bed, but somehow my husband and I are like fighting over this sheet every night. So until I get a king-size sheet, I'm gonna put the sheet on sideways so that we have an equal amount of sheet between the two of us so that we do not wake up in the middle of the night and try to steal each other's sheets. Do you guys have that issue? If you guys have a queen-size bed, do you guys steal sheets? Your partner sleeping in bed? Anyway, I took this opportunity to also dance on the bed. It's been a while since I danced on the bed, to have a little fun. Anyway, it was time to put the pillowcases on and continue to make the bed. I was so happy when it's done because, frankly, I also hate making the bed. And since I have been filming every day, I have been doing my makeup every day, and my vanity was a disaster area. Sure, there's tons of brushes that need to be cleaned, but you know what? I don't have time to do that right now, so I'm just gonna neaten this up and, walk away and forget about it. It's toilet jamming time. Who doesn't love cleaning the toilet? My husband and I actually fight over who gets to do this amazingly fun chore because it's the most fun thing you can do in the house, practically. No, it's not. It's actually not. Anyway, I wanted to get that toilet all ready for me to clean, and while I did that, I cleaned the shower and did a little sexy dance while I was cleaning the shower. It's so not sexy. I just wanted to get it kind of clean. I didn't do a super amazing clean in the shower, but I wanted to get all the soap scum off of the glass. There I am skanking and cleaning. I was listening to some ska music, and apparently that's the one dance you can do while listening to ska music. It's called skanking. I'm not lying. Look it up. Anyway, I got to clean the sink, and here I am doing my favorite thing in the world, cleaning the toilet. Oh, I love this so much.
Meanwhile.
Back at it. All right, here I am hanging up the towels because I washed all the towels and sheets today. Yes, my husband and I don't have matching towels. It's going to be okay. It's really going to be okay. It's going to be okay. Hand towel for the sink. And lastly, we've got the floor mat, which was freshly cleaned in the laundry. It makes me so happy. In case you're wondering, it is from Anthropology, and I was celebrating the fact that I was done cleaning for the day.
All right, I'm all done, and I'm sweating up a storm. I'm energized, and all of my annoying chores all of my annoying chores that I have been putting off are done, and it's been 30 minutes. And I am very pleased at what I've done, and I had a lot of fun. I'm sweating, I exercised, I had a good time, I danced on the bed. Yes, So next time you are feeling very not motivated to clean, it's just like a little bit of stuff you have to get done, put on some killer tunes, get to work, put 30 minutes on the clock. You got this, you got this. All right, if you guys like videos like this, please subscribe. If you're already subscribed and you're not on the notification squad, what are you doing? Get in the notification squad, ring that bell, because otherwise YouTube won't tell you when I upload a video, and then you'll just be wondering, does she upload? I don't know. Just press bell. That's what you need to do. All right, you guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye, stay neat.